Fine art is a course where you are able to experiment and push yourself in a creative way. You're allowed to be free about the work that you do.
It's a lot of fun. It's very, very varied. You're not going to get bored because there's so many different areas that they're getting you to explore.
My favourite aspect of the course would probably be the freedom in it. They give you a certain amount of freedom. Obviously, they give you a structure to work with, but it's what you're comfortable with.
First year is kind of like foundation year, but they bring you up to degree levels, so everyone's on the same level. You cover a variety of different topics in the first year, so this year we've done photography, painting, life drawing, printmaking, and it just gives you a taster of all of them.
The second year it wasn't quite as busy, but you had to kind of focus on the few of your favourites. So for me that was illustration and painting, and then for third year you concentrated on your kind of solo module.
The teachers are so friendly and so sort of accessible. They give you enough freedom so that you don't feel like you're sort of being told exactly what to do all the time. But they'll also, they're always there to take you through the technical points.
I decided to study here the minute I came here. I fell in love with the place. The town is beautiful and the university is just amazing.
I mean, there's not been a part of it I've not enjoyed. Everything in Aberystwyth University is so interesting.
Everyone is just ridiculously friendly, and you go and see the town and you have a look, you can see the sea and there's the mountains.
It's really easy to settle here. Everyone is so nice and friendly, and it's a very relaxed environment in this building. And I think that's what you need for an art degree. You need to be relaxed so you can concentrate on your work.